I had a mark on my breast, so I went to see my family doctor, and she actually felt the lump herself and had me go for an ultrasound, and that ultrasound showed that there was something. So my family doctor called me back and said, we should definitely get it checked out, and they referred me to the Gattuso Rapid Diagnostic Clinic at Princess Margaret.
The Gattuso Rapid Diagnostic Centre offers a quick diagnosis to people who have a concerning breast change. This includes an assessment, testing, and a plan for follow-up care or treatment. This video will explain what you can expect when you visit the centre.
I was feeling a little bit of mixed emotions, but I knew that deep down it was a really good thing that I could have access to screening really quickly.
There are a few things you need to do to prepare for your appointment. You can find this information on our website or at the Patient and Family Library on the main floor of the Princess Margaret. You must be referred by a doctor or nurse practitioner to be seen at the centre. Once referred, our receptionist will call and ask that you collect all of your breast imaging films from the locations where you had the testing. This could include CDs and reports from mammograms, ultrasounds, and MRIs done in the past 3 to 5 years. Drop off your images at the information desk on the main floor of the Princess Margaret Cancer Centre. You can also choose to courier your package, but do not send it by regular mail, as it is not secure. It is important that the centre receive your images as soon as possible so that you can get booked in for an appointment quickly. Once a radiologist has reviewed your images and has made a decision on the type of testing or procedure you may need, our receptionist will call you with an appointment. Most people will receive a call a day or two after the hospital has received their images. When you arrive at the Princess Margaret Cancer Centre, go to the Breast Imaging Department reception on the 3rd floor. Check in at the reception desk 15 minutes before your appointment. Be sure to have your health card and your blue hospital card ready. If you do not have a blue hospital card, the receptionist will make one for you. Once you're checked in, you will be asked to change into a patient gown, and you will wait to meet with a nurse practitioner. Your nurse practitioner will ask you about your health history, including details about the problems or changes in your breasts and how they were discovered, other health conditions and surgeries you may have had, medicines you are taking, allergies to any numbing medicines, your pregnancy history, when you started or stopped your period, and your family's cancer history. The nurse practitioner will also do a physical breast exam to check for lumps and other changes. You will then spend the rest of the morning doing breast imaging tests, which may include mammograms and ultrasounds, followed by a biopsy if needed. Your results may be ready on the same day or 1 to 2 days later. When your results are ready, you will meet with a nurse practitioner and doctor specializing in cancer care. If the results do not show cancer, your healthcare team will explain the changes and any possible follow-up you may need. If results show cancer, your doctor will explain the type of breast cancer and a possible treatment plan. In some cases, the results may not give a clear answer, and you may need to return for more testing. It is common to have feelings of anxiety or worry during this process, and there are many supports available to help you during this time. These include your healthcare team at the Gattuso Rapid Diagnostic Centre, the Survivorship Centre, your family doctor, and the Princess Margaret Patient and Family Library, where you can find trusted health information.
I think they all realize that it's very stressful and that there's a whole bunch of emotions going on. Everybody has been very helpful and just willing to explain more to you, explain the test results, explain what they're doing. They were just lovely, willing to laugh with me, answer my million of questions, because I do have millions of questions. And it's a fabulous clinic, and it's something that's a great asset, and we should really be thankful that we have that available to us.
If you're dropping off or couriering your images, please write the following address on the envelope: Gattuso Rapid Diagnostic Centre, Princess Margaret Cancer Centre, Department of Surgical Oncology, 3rd floor, room 3-130, 610 University Avenue, Toronto, Ontario, M5G 2M9. For detailed information about how you need to prepare, go to the Gattuso Rapid Diagnostic Centre website or pick up the printed instructions from the Princess Margaret Patient and Family Library in the main lobby.